Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install StreamYard for multi-stream workflow management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the official StreamYard website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to sign up or log in. If you are a new user, select Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a password. Check your email for a verification link. Click the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the StreamYard website. Log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Here, you can create a new broadcast by clicking on Create a Broadcast. Choose whether to go live on social media or record your stream. Select the platforms you want to stream to. Ensure you have linked your social media accounts to StreamYard. If you haven't done this, follow the prompts to connect your profiles. Next, enter a title for your broadcast. You can also add a description if needed. Once you've set up the details, click Next. You'll be taken to the studio setup. Familiarize yourself with the studio interface. Here, you can add guests by sharing the invite link. Adjust your audio and video settings to ensure high quality. You can also customize your layout and branding options. Before going live, run a quick test to check your stream quality. Once satisfied, click on the Go Live button. Monitor the live chat and engagement throughout your stream. When finished, return to the dashboard. Here, you can review your stream analytics. You can also access recordings of your broadcast for later use. For future streams, repeat the process to refine your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.